Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! Okay, hi guys! Welcome back to my everyday every other day vlog. So for today's video, I am going to try to wear a contact lens for the first time. For the first time in forever, so this is my first time wearing contact lens, and I got my contact lens from Lense for only 250 pesos. While I checked out the brands on YouTube and Shopee, well, it's very low, and I think in Lense it's a business, so they increased the price. Yeah. So if you are new here to my YouTube channel, I am Darius Evardo, and please subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell, and also please don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts below: Instagram at Darius Evardo and Facebook Darius Evardo. And without further ado, let's jump out to the video. So here is the contact lens. Yeah, 250 pesos, and I think this is worth the price. So here's the contact lens. Yeah, jewelry in the style of color jewelry. So yeah, and it has a free case. It's nice naman. And make sure to clean before use. So here's the lens, and let's try to wear this. Oh my god! So let's open it first. So this is the lashes, and its brand is Freshlady soft contact lenses. So yeah, and the diameter is 14.50, and main material hema, and its color is jewelry, or more likely to be bluish gray like that. So let's try to wear this, and I'm gonna open this first. Wait, by the way, before we wear the lenses, make sure to clean our hands, make it sanitize with alcohol, and wash it thoroughly and rinse it very well. So wait lang, and we will go to there too. Sure. Guys, this is my first time wearing contact lens, so I'm kind of nervous. So okay, here we go.
Here we go.
Guys, after a couple of minutes, I finally wear the contact lens, and it's not yet very comfortable to wear because it's almost a year since I haven't wear contact lens, so I am still feeling it more comfy and making myself comfy with it. So I will also do the other one off cam, but I like the colors of this. So yeah, so guys, we're already done with this, and when the lens stay longer, sure, when the lens get stay on your eyes longer, it feels like comfortable. And so yeah, and for the price, I liked it, and so that's it for today's video, and this is my second time wearing contact lenses. So see you again in my next video. Bye bye. And this might be a short review, but it's right. So bye bye.